The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dance my people, when you look at that video, they're good, eh? Me I wonder if the floor and building that man are doing, you know? Me I wonder if a concrete that the man are using, you know? Me I wonder if a mortar that man are use, as how some Jamaicans might call it, you know, people. Cause whether or not if it is concrete or not, you know, a whole heap of material that, you know, the man they up to your waist in a material, you know, more or less, you know. Me I wonder if the man depend on his knees in a material, or if I stand up and stand up. Cause even if the man depend on his knees in a material, a whole heap of material that number people. When you look at the video good, eh? In my point of view, I don't think a person need to know a lot about construction work to realize that man used a whole heap of material. Me really I wonder if it's the floor of a building the man I do. You see me I say my people, Jano. Hey, some history people out there in the world, my people. Me I wonder what could have caused the man to do something like that, people. Eh? Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again, you see? Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one. Let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. And I have another video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video will be recorded within a country that is known as Guyana. I do not know when the video had been recorded. This video shows police officers who had been accused of harassing a member or members of a family. You see? Yeah, it is said that the police was arresting a motorist, and the motorist told the police that he will drive his motor vehicle to the police station, and it is said that the police told the motorist no, and that he should get into the police service vehicle. See? Viewers and subscribers, I don't have any confirmed information as to why the police had arrested the person, but you know the video has been talked about on social media, and I want you to take a look at this video and tell me if you think this video shows the thing that is called police harassment or what. You can tell me what you think overall about this video, alright? Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here is the video, take a look, listen and observe.
I remember the same officer here. I remember the same officer there. Because when we report on people, they can't do nothing.
You come with gun, you come with your gun out.
Why y'all always police always work with a firearm? Why is this? Why is
I
this?
tell you, I am going to drive to the station.
Relax yourself, relax.
I am going to drive to the station. That's what I'm saying. Why I don't want to go in the police vehicle.
No, it's not what you don't want, sir.
Excuse me?
It's not what you don't want.
Relax
I
yourself.
don't want to travel.
Relax yourself. Relax yourself.
Property.
Relax yourself. I remember the same officer here.
Place me under arrest for what?
Yes, sir. Let's go, sir.
Place me under arrest for what? I am telling you that I'm coming to the station. Why are you holding me by my pants?
Let's go, sir.
Loose my pants. Loose my pants. Loose my
Mama!
my pants. Hello, I need to close up my vehicle. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not a criminal. What's really wrong with you? You're hooking me by my pants. Why is a bunch of...
Joanne, relax yourself. What is he being arrested for?
You can't tell me, me mother can't come.
Officer?
Yeah, I don't even come when it's the right time.
Officer, what is he being arrested for?
And none of your show. Y'all's a part of the problem.
What is he being arrested for?
Hello, I tell you man that my sister and bumpy and what
we not the type of people that behave like that. You're not listening, we refusing to go nowhere.
What station is he going to?
I just black people together. I not put it together.
Don't worry about the thing. Black people don't support that. We understand all that. We know about the thing.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm in charge here and I'm saying no. I am saying no. You're a peaceful we are talking
I
to you.
left me car here and somebody mess up me car.
I want to come with my brother.
No. Seriously speaking.
You're not coming with us. There's nothing we can do here. We didn't ask her to go in there.
If you only understand what this family is going through, and you know, because we complain to you about what has been happening, that is why she wants to go with him.
Nothing would happen to him. If you say you know me, I don't know you, but everything would be okay. Let him go because y'all don't make why y'all want to cause this scene. It's only causing this scene for stupidly. Why you want to cause this scene? It doesn't call for this. It doesn't call for this. Allow your brother to go and then come, man. And then come. Let's go, sir. Let's go.
Okay, just so we can go. Just so we can go.
Don't let people touch me.
No, that's the only way.
I am going.
Lock it and go long.
I am going.
Lock it and go long.
Yes, they know.
Where you mother go with it because if anything happen,
Don't push me, I'm going. Why are you pushing me, woman?
go long, chick. Go long. Go long.
Wait, hold on. My next phone.
Go into the vehicle, sir.
You ever see when you ever see on the reports with these people?
I don't even know what they're talking about.
Yeah, we come from 23 John Street. We promoters harassing you and Kelly, and he just got them making enough report, and people are saying,
Oh, with you, madam?
exactly. They always are harassing him.
I spoke with him, but I can't remember everything.
No, that's why I asked, where we going and we gonna come.
That's some hit and run, I don't know.
Somebody report on him?
Some hit and run.
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. Alright, go long.
What are we saying about? When we reach, we don't deal with it.
That's what I said.
Well, I just get the call, that's how I run out the bounty there.
I did. I tell
Go. Yeah, go along with she, go along. She got to go with you. We all know why.
You got to lie. But I don't believe that.
I know there's no need for that.
But when you go, you're going to see. If you ask about the reports, when you go, you're going to see. We make many reports for these people. Many reports for these people. And you never come and arrest none of them. Right?
Yeah, don't worry.
None of them.
Don't worry. That is how it is go.
We live next to these people. And we have to run the house from them. You don't know we're going there. We're going to try to tell you, you don't know we're going there.
Yeah, many reports were made there at Albertong Station. Yes, girl. What accident are you talking about?
This man jammed me, brother. The same bus man.
This one?
And he going to report that how you and jamming.
This one, eh?
The bus man.
Oh, the bus driver?
Yes, boy, Prem over Thomas for murdering.
Oh, we're the same man?
Yes. And they didn't arrest him. They didn't arrest the man.
Alright, my people, I am going to be honest with you see me? Like for real, me look at the video and me listen to some of the things that have been said in the video and it have me thinking about certain things, Cause me hear where someone in the video said, I saw the same police officer there or something like that, you see me? So, it seems as if that person see that police officer before. Alright, fine. You see, if it was up to me as a police officer and if my job was not in any form of jeopardy or if me not gonna lose my job, I would allow the person to drive his motor vehicle to the police station, being as how he's being arrested, you see me? But then again now, it might be a mistake to do something like that because some persons out there might tell you say they're gonna do one thing and then when they get in the motor vehicle, and gone all about the place. You could have to go in a police chase situation to catch that person, see me? And then what if the whole incident end up in a way where someone lose his or her life, all them things there. You, the police officer, were given that chance of being a problem. So all them little things there, me look at, you see me? I don't have any confirmed information as to why the person had been arrested by the police within the country of Guyana. You see, so when it comes on to that part of the situation, I'm not going to jump to any conclusion. But when it comes on to the whole police harassment part of the situation, viewers and subscribers, if police officers as shown in that video had approached members or a member of that family in the past, then that might be something that need to be looked into or should be looked into. So may I say to you, yeah, maybe it depends on the whole situation. Anyways, me just have to be real with you, my viewers and subscribers. You can let me know what you think about the videos that I just presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.